You got a drill bit that's dull, and you want to be able to get it sharpened back to the factory sharpness. This is actually easier than you would think. All you need is your drill bit and a bench grinder. Let me show you how this is done. All right, I've got a piece of scrap metal in here that I want to show you the cutting of the bit that is currently dull. This particular bit, it's not super dull, but it's just dull enough that it has a hard time going through metals as quick as it used to. So all of your cutting is actually done at these corners. These other parts of the drill bit don't actually do much cutting. They mainly funnel the debris up. They do help a little bit, but it's generally done right there at the corners. So let's drill this real quick. As you can see, that just doesn't want to budge. It should be digging in a little bit quicker than that. Now I could do a little bit smaller hole with a smaller drill bit to get it started and then go through it. Okay, what you want to do whenever you're sharpening your drill bits is you're going to want to sharpen this edge right here. You can kind of see how it's a little bit flat with a little bit of curve. You're trying to get this area actually sharp, and then same on the other side, because that's going to be your cutting edge. So let's turn this on and try to sharpen this one. So you want to get the angle as best you can. Some of these actually have spots. Some of these bench grinders actually have spots for this to hold the drill bit at the right angle. This one doesn't, so you just kind of, you can use a jig, or you can just do this by hand. Now you'll want to turn it just like that. See, it's getting a little bit sharper there. You can actually feel it. It actually feels much sharper. So now let's do this other side. All right, there we go. All right, now that we got it sharpened, let's see if we can drill through this. All right, there you go. That definitely drilled through a lot faster. So that worked like a charm. All right, there you go. So all you need is your drill bit that's dull and a bench grinder, and you just hold it at the correct angle. It's real easy to see which angle you need to actually have it at whenever you're looking at the drill bit, and you just twist it a little bit and your drill bit's as good as new. You can do this for a long time with a drill bit without the need to having to buy brand new ones. Eventually, yes, you will have to buy new ones, but this will prolong the life of your drill bits and you'll get a lot more use out of them. This is one of the handiest things, because I used to go through drill bits and think that they were done, or I needed to buy a special drill bit sharpener, which really, those don't work near as well as just a simple bench grinder and a couple of swipes with it. All right, if you guys like this video, just leave a comment down below, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, subscribe, and share this video with anybody who else you think might be interested in sharpening their drill bits. All right, don't forget, get out there, run, bike, just have fun. We'll see you guys.